Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to connect your Instagram account to your Discord profile. Since Discord recently removed the official Instagram integration button, we will use a quick and easy workaround to display your Instagram link right on your profile. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to the bottom right corner and tap your profile picture. Once you are on your profile page, look for the Share Profile button. Tap on it and then select Copy Link. This copies your direct Instagram URL to your clipboard. Next, open the Discord app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, go to the top right corner and tap the Settings gear icon. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Connections section and tap to open it. Inside the Connections menu, tap the Add button at the top right. You will notice that Instagram is no longer on the list of default apps. Instead, select the domain or website option, depending on your Discord version. Now, simply paste the Instagram link you copied earlier into the text box. For a cleaner look, you can delete any extra characters after the question mark in the URL, keeping just the main address and your username. Hit save or continue, and you are completely done. Your Instagram account is now successfully linked and visible on your Discord profile for anyone to click. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching.